thank you God for blessing us with this food this morning. Thank you God for all the things He's done for us in our lives. God be with us, give us the strength and knowledge and understanding for what we're going to do today. Thank you so much for all the blessings and bless us every day with love, understanding, and just thank you for
Okay, let's eat. Let's eat, let's eat, let's eat. Yeah, we eat like this. Oh, this is so natural. Natural. It's just agati, kamunggay, o gaisa, kamuti with people this one with put dried fish. Oh, so yummy. With put and put gagmay kayo. Pero it's so yummy. See? So it's nani ang pagkaon sa bukid. It's healthy. Mga unta. Ano jud siya ang Let's try.
This is actually very yummy with my special sauce, my new special sauce that I made. It tastes a lot better with the vegetables. Actually, it tastes so much better with the vegetables. This is very, very.
Mamahaw ka.
Wow, my love, you have to try this.
Yeah, because it's
It's really good. Just
You-
try
you
it with
put-
the vegetables.
he put soy sauce with the chili, vinegar, soy sauce, and chili and sugar.
Magnificent.
Yeah.
This is truly nice.
Ako ra may makaugbuwad. Di man siya makaugwad. Oh. Ako rin magkaugbuwad. Yun. Hindi siya makaugbuwad.
I came from the ocean. That's why I don't eat fish. No, I don't really like the taste of